How to change the default video resolution on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on camera. Now here in camera, tap on record video, and by default the video resolution is set to 1080p and 60 fps. So you can change it by tapping on other options. You have 5 other options, so just simply tap on option to select, and after selecting, the video will be recorded in selected resolution. Now you can record the video. By tapping on the shutter button, and now this video is being recorded in the selected resolution of 4K 60 fps. So that's how you can change the default video resolution on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.